Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast where we dive deep into the world of career guidance and exploration. Today, we have a special guest from Mary Mentor, an organization that is transforming how students approach to their career paths. We have Yogeshwari, a dedicated career counselor who has been empowering students to choose their careers. With years of experience in helping students find their callings, Yogeshwari here today with us to share her valuable insights, success stories, and practical advices. Welcome to the podcast. To kick things off, what inspired you to become a career counselor?
Thank you for having me here, Gayatri. To be frank, I should say that when I was doing my psychology, I didn't have an idea to be a career counselor, to be frank. I started my journey as a counseling psychologist. I was working in a hospital where I used to handle people who will be falling under the age group of adult. So when I was working on the solution part with the adult, I figured out that rather than working on the solution part, we should be working on the prevention area. So I started working in the student counseling sector where I got an opportunity to work on the prevention sector. But even after getting into the school sector, I felt like there are so many students who are in grade 10 and 12 who are really facing challenges like to get a seat in NEET or to get a seat in JEE. But what I felt is not every other student are meant for NEET and JEE. When I was facing those challenges with the students, I figured out that there are certain things which has to be done in the career counseling sector. Then there I got an opportunity to work with Mera Mentor, who has a visionary in terms of guiding each and every other individual to make an informed career decision.
What are the biggest challenges students face today for choosing a career?
I could say that students over this generation has a lots and lots of challenge in terms of making an appropriate career decision. Because in early days, it was an option to choose between a mechanical engineering or civil engineering or a computer science or else in medicine. Whereas now, the children are having so much of career options, more than 200 or more than 300 plus career options which is available. Among this 300 plus career option, they need to choose one particular option, and that particular option should be something which they are going to enjoy and which is going to give them a highest level of job satisfaction in the future days. So the situation is they need to choose a career from 300 plus career options, and that particular career option should also give them a highest level of job satisfaction. Then now you should say whether it is a challenging one or not so.
Definitely.
Yes. So that is the problem I can say.
How important is for a student to identify their passion and strength?
I can say it is very, very important because if a person fails to understand or recognize their strength before making up a career decision, definitely it will not help them to make an appropriate career decision. Let me give you a small example. A child has a very good potential in terms of drawing, whereas if a child is forced or if a child is choosing a career that is going to be related to medicine, where the child doesn't have the opportunity to utilize their drawing potential means, won't it be a biggest regret for that particular child?
Can you share a success story where Mary Mentor made a significant impact on a student's life?
Okay. To be frank, we have so many successful stories to share with you, but having a time constraint, I could share one thing. So we got a client who has a strong assumption that she is a person who was meant for medicine, and she is believing that she is going to be a doctor and she has the capacity to be a doctor. But still, she took the assessment and she took the counseling with us to reconfirm whether she is going in the right direction or not. But shockingly, what happened is the client got a recommendation that she is a person who is extraordinary in artistic ability compared to the ability which is required to be a doctor. Though it was an initially tough phase ways for the client to accept that you are a person who's pretty good in artistic rather than medicine. But by seeing the report, the scientific report, which talks about her interest, her aptitude, and personality, it helped her to notice that she is a person who has an extraordinary interest and extraordinary potential in the field of artistic field, lesser compared to the medicine field. So, after getting into the idea that she is a person who has an high level of interest in artistic and potential in artistic, we helped her to explore what are the career fields which is related to artistic and which is also booming extremely really very well. That was an significant milestone in her life, I can say, because as I said, she was blindly believing that she wanted to be a doctor without considering her potential and interest. But after going through this process, she got to know that she is a person who has a better ability in artistic and potential is also complementing. Then she got an idea that why can't I consider a profession which is going to complement my interest and potential on a higher level note, rather than going for something which I was falsely believing that this is going to be my cup of tea. So then she made a shift in her thought process and she made a decision to get into a field which is complementing her interest and her potential.
How can parents effectively guide their children in making a career choice?
See, parents can effectively help the child in terms of choosing an appropriate career by helping them to know about themselves in an even more in-depth way. What happened in the real-time scenario is based on the ground level of understanding that my child can do this well, my child can perform in this aspect to this extent, they are having an assumption that this is the level of performance or this is the level of potential what my child has. But there might be so many unexplored potential which the child might be having. So it is very, very essential for a parent to explore all the hidden areas of the child before making up a career decision. So in that process, psychometric assessment would be an important factor, I can say, which will help the child to know about themselves in an inside out so that they can make an appropriate career decision for themselves.
How does MediMentor ensures its career guidance is inclusive and counter diversion for students' background?
See, in Meramenta, we are doing an individual counseling session where each and everyone's interest, personality, aptitude, their socio-economic status, their cultural background, everything will be taken into consideration. And based on the analysis of each and every factor, the career recommendation will be done by the counselor.
In what ways do you think career guidance should evolve to meet the need of the future law student?
There should be a huge level of change in the mindset, I can say. See, I can say for sure that there was a very big difference in terms of work culture before pandemic and after pandemic. Before pandemic, the work environment and the work culture was completely different. After pandemic, it got switched to so much of freelancing and all those stuff. It is also going to have a significant impact in the career decision as well. There's no more situation that the student is going to finish undergraduation or post graduation and they are going to take up the job. And once they take up the job, the scope for learning is going to be restricted or it is not going to happen at all. Hereafter, it is going to be a scenario like learn, earn, learn, earn. There should be an regular upgradation and upliftment with each and every other individual to sustain in this scenario.
Finally, what future trend in career guidance excites you the most?
Obviously, AI. AI is also going to get into the field of career guidance. It will help the child to do a analysis and to come up with a possible career options, what is going to align with their interest, personality, and aptitude. I think that will be a remarkable help for the child or the working professional or for the college graduate, whomsoever is looking for a career decision making. It will help them to make an appropriate career decision, I guess.
It was some awesome advice, Yogeshwari. Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom with us. I hope our listeners would have been empowered and decided to make things right with their career choices.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity. Really, it was a wonderful session, I should say, Gayatri. Uh, you asked so many questions which was absolutely relevant, and there are certain things which the students need to know before taking up a career guidance session. I hope it was useful for the listeners as well. We'll connect you all after some time. Bye bye.